Okay, so these are the new knobs that I got. They're just gold, regular ones. I used to just have little silver ones, and I really like these, but I really like the gold because I feel like it just warms up our kitchen a little bit, which is what we need in here. So yeah, I'm gonna start taking all of the old knobs off and then putting these on. But I have to make some touch-ups on the paint to some of the cabinets. It's just been like wear and tear for the past year and a half, so I'm gonna do that. So I got some more paint. And then also when I took these old knobs off, sometimes there's like a little ring and you can kind of see it because these aren't as big in the base. So that's what I'm gonna be doing, and I just thought I'd show you guys the process. Also, I got these kind as well for the drawers, so I'm going to be putting those on too once I make some touch-ups to the paint. So I started propagating my fiddle fig tree. I've never done this before, and it took a couple months, but I'm really pleased with how well it did. So I'm going to be planting it today, and I was super excited to finally put it in a pot and see how well it grows and if it takes, because this would be really awesome to do with a bunch of my other plants, so I don't have to keep buying a new plant. I can just propagate it, and I've seen like Kristen Johns and stuff do this, and I wanted to try it out for myself, so I thought it turned out super well, and it just looks really cute sitting on my little windowsill, and it gets lots of sunlight now. So I would highly suggest you guys try it out, but it does take a couple months to get it going. Next, Aaron and I are hanging up this cute little pantry sign that I got at HomeGoods for $12.99. I just thought it would be a cute little addition over our pantry. We have a really small pantry, so it's not like something big that I could put over it or one of those cute little doors that says pantry. So I wanted to hang this up, and I'd love to find a sign that looks like this but a little bit bigger that just says kitchen. I've been looking for one of those forever and I cannot find it. So if you ever see one of those, let me know.
I lose my breath
Okay, next thing on my to-do list that I've been meaning to do forever is to clean out my coffee mugs, because this isn't even all of them. Half of them are in the dishwasher. But I have an insane amount of coffee mugs, and just Aaron and I live here. We do not need this many. And I keep a lot of them because I'm really sentimental, and I'll like buy a coffee mug on any trip we go on or something. But like these basic ones or something I could probably get rid of or give them to my dad to keep at his shop or something. Yeah, so I'm probably gonna start cleaning these out. It's gonna be hard for me to clean these out. I don't know why. I have a coffee mug problem. Yeah, so let me know if you guys also have a coffee mug problem. But we'll see which ones we can kind of clear out or at least store on the bar cart. Okay, so I am finishing painting all the doors that go here. The only one I have left is this one, and I can't get it off because the drill doesn't fit like in this little space to unscrew the screw. So I'm gonna wait till Aaron gets home to help me with that. These all turned out great. I just got to put them back on. And I finished cleaning out the coffee mug. I still have a bunch, I know, but I did get rid of quite a few. And these are like all my seasonal ones too. So like a lot of everyday except for a few Christmas ones are down here, but like my right down ones and stuff. And also this cabinet goes really far back. I know you guys can't see back there, but I have a lot of space for them. But I did get rid of like 10, which I feel like is pretty good. Next on my list is to do all of these dishes. It's already 8:30 at night and I feel like I've not gotten anything done because I had to do schoolwork. But I've got to get the dishes done and the kitchen clean before I go to bed because I cannot stand waking up to a dirty, messy kitchen in the morning. Like, I will stay up late and clean it because I hate waking up to a dirty kitchen. I know a lot of y'all relate to that. So let's go ahead and do all these dishes. So here I have my stocking tags all laid out. These were only like 50 cents from Michael's, so I bought 5. I'm going to be using this wood stain today. It's just by Mini Wax Wood Finish, and it's in the color Golden Pecan. I don't know if I've used this one before in a past DIY, but I use a lot of these stains and I really like them. So to finish these stocking tags, I cut all of our names out using my Cricut machine. You can do this free-handed, but I don't have that much artistic ability, so I just wanted to go ahead and cut them out. And then I just bought these plain beads from Hobby Lobby. They come in big packs. Strung some of those on some cord that I got from Hobby Lobby as well. And the main thing I learned from doing this project before is to use a bobby pin to thread the cord through the beads. I never thought that using a bobby pin would work, but it works awesome. You'll see how I do it. So I put the cord in the bobby pin and just use that to kind of pull it through. You just have to make sure you don't lose it mid pull through the bead, but it works like a charm, super easy, and it's probably something all y'all have laying around your house because it's impossible to thread that thick cord through a big needle or through a tiny needle. So I highly recommend it, and I love the way these turned out. I think they look so cute and they're going to look adorable for Christmas. So let me know if you guys try these out. I think they'll be so cute and so affordable. I think this whole project cost me like $5 maybe.